Hey man, this is Stewart. Stewart's made out of an old desk fan, an old design. I really like the design. I removed two of the blades and used those as on the back as a platform for the solar panels. The eyeballs are bullet marker lights from an old vehicle I got from someone's garage. They're actually glass too. I just siliconed them onto the fan blades and then stuck wires through the back of them. The snout's an old piece of flexible pipe. It's probably a hookup pipe for a gas water heater. And at the end of it, I used some metal tape and put a crystal on there. There's an LED inside there, so at night the crystal lights up. It's pretty cool. You'll see that at the end. This is what Stewart looks like at night. At night you can see that the end of his snout glows. That crystal that's taped on the end of it looks pretty cool at night.